Till We Meet Again is a painting of First Encounter Beach. I think I was out there with my family at this time, and we were sort of sitting back on the beach and taking in this beautiful sunset, and the groups of people that were sort of scattered about and moving in their own cadence out there on the flats, and some far out, some in closer, families, small groups, people by themselves with their dogs. So very familiar scene on the Cape, probably almost every night of the summer, as long as it's not raining. You know, the painting, Till We Meet Again, the title, again, my primary goal being to produce a really, you know, beautiful scene that I've lived through and have been lucky enough to be at, and also recognize how, maybe this time around when painting something like this, taking notice myself and how I'd rather not take for granted these scenes as much anymore, as it was painted at a time when everyone's kind of unsure of when do we get back to doing these things, and going to the places we took for granted, and love to visit the things that made life what it was, you know, and whether it's going down around, taking a walk around your block at home, or having a chance to see a place like this on the outer Cape. Just trying to, you know, kind of relive that back to normal feeling. Until We Meet Again. Again, the title was in my head before the painting, so as that happens sometimes with my work, where that can drive the concept and the ideas just sort of flow from that, so all the pieces come together from different reference and whatnot once I have that phrase or that title in my mind. So you know, Till We Meet Again is a pretty special painting for me at this time, in 2020.